You're hurting her. You're hurting her.
Get your hand up. Get up your hand. Get up your hand.
Don't be mad. She made me do it. She was happy. She made me do it. I'm driving. I have to put the phone up so she can see me. She can see her baby having fun.
Okay.
An officer witnesses a driver to multiple burnouts in the middle of an intersection. He then follows the driver into a nearby park and conducts a traffic stop. Little does the officer know, he's about to be in the weirdest vehicle pursuit of his entire career.
Why did you do a big old Brody
Here, let me show you.
through that intersection?
Let me show it to you.
Are you under the effects of marijuana or just cleaning your
It's
bong?
right here. It's all because of this. It's all because of this. It's all because of this app. I'm the king of the app now. There's no more hurting her. It's time to throw in the white towel. Stop hurting her. Leave her alone. Because when you hurt her, it raised me up. Some big black dude. No, I'm more stronger than you are. I run it. I don't want to run it like that, but it gets her mad. Explain to this. You play the game, blue and red. If the blue got it, it's over.
So something on the app made you mad?
No,
and
it's not something. It's not something. The red side, it pissed me off.
Okay.
You
Who said that to you?
Whoever's disguising themselves on the app.
Okay.
So again, it's red and blue, him and her. Now she's mine. I'm protecting her, kids, and the world.
Who is she?
I don't know her yet. I may not see her, but she gave me a beautiful family at home right now, and that's that. I'm gonna protect them.
Can I see your driver's license?
I don't have a driver's license. This whole app. You see what I'm saying? And let me ask you something as an officer. Can you spell Mississippi backwards?
If I take some time about it.
No, it's not about time. Can I ask you? Can you spell Mississippi backwards?
IPPISSISSIM.
What?
IPPISSISSIM.
Now spell supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
I can't do that one.
Why is that?
Wait, spell it the correct way? Or
So do you believe in God?
Absolutely.
How well do you believe in God?
As best I can.
Okay, so what did Psalms 119, 1 verse to 88 say?
I did not memorize the Bible.
Why is that?
I haven't tried to. First name?
My name is ABNER. So if you want to know what the middle initial stand for, is Demon.
Demon?
Yeah. Demon.
Why would your parents do that
That's
to
my
you?
last name. DEMEMON.
Okay.
Don't wake it up.
I will definitely try not to.
You're waking it up.
Okay.
Stop it.
Lakewood 102. He's got some real 414 issues. 5 minutes notice.
While the officer runs the suspect's information, the suspect gets back in his truck and drives away, prompting the officer to call for even more backup and initiate a
Stop
pursuit.
the car, please. Stay off the air for a second. Lakewood 102. He's trying to leave into the park. He has prior felony in the car. So start my second priority. Maybe another one.
I'm not going to let him get out of the park. What you want, buddy?
We're going to sit here. I'm going to wait for another car because he's out of his mind about demons and other stuff, and I don't know that his arrest is going to go peacefully.
You want sticks? I'm not trained in them, but I can get them out for you.
No, because what'll happen is we'll have to leave somebody here with sticks.
He's obviously aware of our presence.
I was talking to him. I talked to him, ID'd him, he got back in the car, and then just rolled away from me, and I followed him the whole way here with my sirens on. When the third car gets here, you cut through there. I'm going to cut through this way, and then he doesn't have an exit. I'm going to pin him against that curb. 2 incoming units line up behind us, 1 left, 1 right. When we move, 1 follow the left car, 1 follow me. We're going to move in, pin him, and then try to get him to come out of the car peacefully. Ready?
Hit it.
You're under arrest. Don't wake him up. Hey, don't wake him up. I think you're in crisis.
I think you're
back up.
I need
Back up from me.
Okay,
Don't
wait,
wake
stop.
Don't wake him up. Don't wake him up. Don't wake him up. It's the fucking app.
I
You guys lost.
want to
Don't
get you
wake him
into
up.
custody safely.
Don't wake him up. Don't wake him up.
Abner.
Don't wake him up.
Abner.
This is my sister. Get away from me.
What can I do
away
to get
from
you
me.
into
Get
custody?
away. Because you guys are not going to give me my family. Get away. You're hurting my sister.
Abner,
get
if
away.
you stand still,
Get away.
I will
No.
stand still.
Get away. Then get away.
I cannot go away.
Okay? You guys watch this.
I cannot
watch
go
this.
away.
Get away. Get away.
I cannot go
Get
away. If
Get
you
away.
stand still,
Get
I
away.
will stand
I'm a
still.
pothead. I am not a demon. But when you bring it out, you hurt her. Demon. When you bring it out, you hurt her. Get away from that shit. Get up from that truck. Get
Abner,
away.
you're
from
under
that shit.
arrest.
No, get away.
Now
Get away from that truck!
You're
Get
coming
away from that
towards
truck.
me.
You ain't touching me. You take me, she's gonna hurt you. You take me, she's
Abner,
gonna fucking
come
hurt
here.
you.
I want him on the
She's gonna
grass
hurt
if
you.
possible.
She's gonna back up from her.
Abner.
Back up from her.
Abner.
Back up from her. 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 Back up. Back up from her. Back up.
Abner, you're fine. Abner,
Back up.
chill out
Back
for
up.
a second.
Back up. Back up. Back up, people.
Taser!
You're hurting her.
Taser's off.
You're hurting her. You're hurting her.
Give your hand up. Give up your hand. Give up your hand. It's okay.
You guys are hurting. Relax, man. Don't hurt her. Don't hurt her. Don't hurt her. You guys don't hurt her. Don't hurt
You're under arrest, Abner. Put your hands behind your back.
Hands behind your back. Come on.
Please.
Relax. Come on.
Okay, look. Oh. Don't hurt her. Don't hurt her. Don't hurt her.
She's alright. She's alright.
Please don't hurt her.
Relax. She's okay.
It's okay, buddy.
Don't hurt her.
Here we go.
We're not gonna hurt you. You're good, dude.
Fire department's coming, Abner. You're okay. You're right. As soon as we get you handcuffed, we're gonna get you all around.
You guys.
Let me double walk.
You guys is the app.
I understand the app, Abner. The app's what caused all this for you.
Roll over to your side, Abner.
You guys are hurting the wrong person.
I'm gonna swing his feet down and around to get parallel release instead of all the blood to his head.
We can stand up together.
Yeah, we will, Abner.
Stand up.
We will.
Stand up. I'll stand up with
Not
you.
yet, not yet, not yet.
I'll stand up with you.
I gotta make sure you don't have anything
Let
on
me
you.
stand up with you guys.
Not, Abner, not
So I
yet,
can
okay?
breathe. Don't hurt her, please.
I'm not gonna hurt anybody again
Yo, see,
today.
come on, TikTok family. Help me, yo. TikTok
Come on,
family.
sir. Let's go.
You guys, why you guys do that? Come on,
Because
guys.
you were under arrest.
No, tell the truth.
I was trying to
Can we
de-escalate with
stop-
you.
Can we just stop right
But
here?
you weren't. Can you take
can
this
we
arm?
just
I'll
stop
grab
right
my
here?
taser.
You don't have to hold me like this. No more, please. On her name that I carry, the demon's name, please.
You're not a demon, Abner.
I am.
I don't believe that.
When you hurt her, I don't care what anybody says. That is my name. Please. You hurt me. You're hurting him. He comes down here.
I did hurt you.
Please.
Sorry about that. Abner, you're
Nobody
also
wants to see it.
suspended second degree. Have a felony involving a vehicle.
Come on, please. No more of that.
You have the right to remain silent.
Please, Trish.
Cannot afford to hire a
Trish.
lawyer. One will be
Trish,
appointed to represent you before questioning if you
Guys,
wish.
yo, help me. This is wrong. Help me, guys. Please, look what they're doing. Look what they're doing, you guys. Let them see it, guys. Guys, please.
Have a seat, Abner.
Look at me. Look
Have a
at
seat.
me. I carry your name. I carry your name, and I freaking care about it.
Was he carrying his bong?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, and he dropped it?
He threw it.
Oh, okay. I talked to him for a long ass time about why he did a burnout, and he's not impaired. He's out of his.
I'm very smart. Shit likes the way I do my thing. I'm not here to change it.
But yeah, he's second suspended for collision or felony something collision. And he was just standing there cleaning his bong, yelling at the people on the app that's streaming. And then next thing I know, I look up and he's freaking driving away. Does a freaking burnout, turn through the intersection, does another one. He then drove normally into the park. I'm like, so came over, he was out of his car cleaning a bong, but it doesn't smell like smoked weed in the car. I don't have any signs of impairment, but he shows me the app. His middle initial D is for demon, the red and blues, and something happened on the light.
is what pissed him off, so he raged, and is why he hit the gas and did the burnout. We had a bunch of weird conversations about God and beliefs and things, but that's where we got him pinned.
Talk to him for a minute. On my way here, Conlon called me, and apparently he had issues with this guy over the summer, had him excluded from all parks. So
All parks?
Yep. Okay. Because he was chasing little kids around here, apparently. What's his first name?
Abner.
Abner, how are you? Okay, I'm Sergeant Force with the police department. I'm doing pretty well. Okay, so right now we're going to have a little conversation. I need to let you know that you're being audio and video recorded. Okay, do you understand that? What? It hurts? What hurts?
I will give me my phone and I'll show it to you guys. Give me my phone.
Right.
I can show it to you guys. Oh my God.
Can you tell me what happened today?
You guys, TikTok. I'm on TikTok. I laugh. I giggle. I'm a good person. I went on my device. Yo, the blue team hit. Now the red is so mad. Don't be mad. She made me do it. She was happy. She made me do it. I'm driving. I have to put the phone up so she can see me. She can see her baby having fun.
Okay. Are you injured from your contact with these officers?
Yeah, she need me for no reason.
For no reason?
No reason.
Where do you hurt? Are you hurt?
I'm a good person.
Okay, I understand that. Are you hurt right now?
No.
No? Okay, do you have any reason for what you did today?
The officer just came and bumped the truck for no reason. She seen it. He was wrong. He got mad because he took over.
Okay. I'm going to get my camera and take a couple of pictures of you, alright?
You guys.
And then I'll answer any of your questions that you have.
Without me, who's going to make TikTok?
You're not going away.
Without me, who's going to make TikTok, you guys?
We'll take care of it for you, alright?
Why you let them do it to you? This is so wrong.
Alright, let me just take a couple photos here.
Yo, he look at my face, what he did.
What?
Now he's going to put it on TikTok.
No.
That is wrong.
We don't put anything on TikTok.
That's not what we want them to do. I like to be on the app. Don't take nothing away from me.
No, we're not going to take your TikTok.
You know when I go look at something, is this what you guys like doing to her?
I don't know who her is. There's nobody else here. Alright.
And all I want to do is work. You guys, I care about her. I connected with her. You guys, I connected with her. Please.